Add a second tooling arm bay to your KMG grinder. Any classic KMG grinder 2006 or later. The KMG Double Stack Kit consists of 2 side pieces, 1 box bottom, 6 bolts, and 1 locking lever. When you receive the KMG Double Stack Kit and are ready to install it, remove the abrasive belt and tooling arm. You will need a wrench to install the kit. Remove all 6 bolts from the top plate. Carefully remove the top plate and tension assembly. Remove the outside locking lever. Place the new bottom plate on the chassis, groove side up. Make sure the side holes are nearest to the opening end. Place the walls on the base and align the holes. Make sure the tapped hole for the locking lever is on the outside. Reattach the top plate and tension assembly. Use the 4 long bolts from the kit for the corner holes. Insert the tooling arm in the top bay before tightening all the bolts. Make sure the tooling arm slides smoothly in the top tool bay. Attach the outside locking lever for the top tool bay. Attach the inside locking lever for the lower tool bay. Make sure the tooling arm slides smoothly in the lower tool bay. The second tooling arm bay is complete and ready to use. The KMG Double Stack Kit, available at Beaumont. Beaumont Metal Works.